Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. Welcome to Coffee Chat. Coffee Chat's my morning segment I try to get out twice a week. I spend a few minutes with you before my client gets here in the morning, and we discuss things you want to discuss that you've left in my comment section, things that I see on the internet that I think might interest you. Also some tips, tricks, and favorite products that I might have that you might like that I share with my clients. And so that's kind of what Coffee Chat's all about. But first, make sure you like my channel and subscribe to my channel, because that's how I keep going, guys. All right, and that's how you're going to keep up on the latest and greatest things. And don't forget, a DIY book is coming very soon. And also for you hair professionals out there that might be interested in taking a class or learning more, I also have a manual that's going to be coming out for professionals very soon, and look for that after the first of the year. More coffee. But other than that, let's get started with Coffee Chat this morning and fill you in. All right, guys. Okay, here we are, and yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today is Friday. I didn't do a video on Thanksgiving. I decided to give myself a day off for the holiday, and hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. If you're in America, if you're not in America, hope you had a great Thursday. But we have a lot to be thankful for. The hair is not readily available, but it is available. If you're hooked up with the right people, you can get what you want. Might take you a little bit of time, but you're going to get what you want. So be thankful that we do have hair available still, that we haven't totally shut down the world. We shut down a lot of the world, but we haven't totally shut down the whole world. And let's hope they don't. But until then, let's keep wearing hair and be thankful that we have hair to wear and that we have accessibility to hair. All right, guys. So hopefully this will all be over soon and life gets back to somewhat of a new normal. All right. But yeah, that's the biggest thing today I just want to talk about, is just being thankful for what we have, what we've been given. You have good health. Nobody in your family's been affected by COVID. Then we have a lot to be thankful for. So yesterday we gave thanks for here in America for being Americans, and the great things that America has, opportunities that awaits us in America, that when you grow up in America, when you come to America, we have opportunities to do anything and everything. All right, that's the great thing about America. We have this diversity of opportunity. So I'm thankful that I live in America, that I've been an opportunist to have a business for all these years, and I'm also thankful that I'm able to share my information with you guys. All right, guys. So all right, let's go on for the next thing today. All right, here we go. Be thankful. Okay, welcome back. And so how much? That's a statement and a question that I hear a lot. And well, my answer to that is less is more. When it comes to hair products, shampoo, the hair density itself, less is more. Some people just have this grande mentality that the more they have, the better it is. And that's not so true. Hair, for example, when I did only growth hair and I stood behind the chair doing women's hair, men's hair, my men and women, both men and women, that had just thick hair, hated it. Absolutely hated it. You couldn't thin it out enough. They just felt like their hair was just uncooperative. It was because it's too much. It doesn't want to do anything. It's too much. Just glutton. It's just crazy. So too much hair density in your hair is not good. So if you're out there getting 110, 120% density in your hair system, you're going to have problems. It's just not going to do what you want it to do. And I mean, here's the thing. If it looks that thick to you in the mirror, in a picture, it's really going to look thick. Guarantee it. And especially if you're in the darker colors, the 1Bs, 2, 3s, 4s, even 5s can look a little dense and dark. All right. Again, product, same thing. Less is more. Go in there, use a little bit of product, put it through the hair. If you don't seem like it's enough, add a little bit more. But if you go in there and just put a lot of product in there and just try to do it all and get it fast and done and get to the, it might be too much. And now you're going to have to shampoo your hair and get back in the shower and go through the whole process again. And now you're pissed because now you've lost all this time. All right. So again, product, same thing. Adhesive, same thing. Less is more. Light layers, let it dry thin. Like I said, I'm not a 5-layer person. I'm a 1 to 2-layer person for most of my clients. And I find that works just as good as 5 layers. More is better for the manufacturers, of course, because they sell more. You use more. If you're using 5 layers versus 2 layers, you're using 2.5 times more. If you're shampoo company and I'm telling you to shampoo twice every time you shampoo and shampoo every single day, and meanwhile, hey, shampooing once usually suffice, and shampooing every few days is usually suffice. So again, if you're a shampoo company, you want to move shampoo. So you're going to have the instructions to shampoo twice, rinse twice, use conditioner twice, rinse twice. So less is more. Okay, guys? I'm a big believer in less is more in everything. Exercise, anytime you overdo anything, it just gets out of control and it becomes obsessive. All right? All right, guys, less is more. Let's go on. Here we are back, and I'm going to give you one of my favorite tools that I like to use in my salon. I keep them both in my salon. I've done a thing about my brushes that I like, my adhesive brushes. I have another adhesive brush that some people prefer. I'm not a foam person as much as I am the brush person, but some people like the foam. And these are little foam brush sticks. Okay, and they have a little foam tip on them here, and they are disposable. You're not going to be able to clean these, and but they're not really good for detail. So if you're going to have to get up in here and this just a little bit of an edge you had, I don't find these as good because it's got a wider base, it's got a wider sponge, so you're not going to. But to overall do a bigger area, these will work good for you. For the acrylic adhesives, they could do well also if the acrylic adhesive doesn't have a brush contained into the bottle. But again, these are simple, these are easy. You can get these at Walker Tape also. They sell them by the dozen and they're reasonably inexpensive. That's why they're disposable. All right, so sponge brush, applicator for your adhesives. Number 2 product that I like. All right, if I don't have the other one, these work. But other than that, I really don't use any other brushes. All right, guys. All right, so that wraps up Coffee Chat this morning. And if you liked what you heard today, or you'd like to hear more of anything, or have questions about what I've spoken about, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because again, that's how I keep going, guys. And this has been Coffee Chat. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal Coffee Chat. Have a great hair day, guys, and enjoy your weekend. Hope you didn't get too fat from the turkey.